Best wishes to all on 133rd birthday of Baba Saheb. Today we are celebrating 133rd birthday of Baba Saheb Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He is also known as the father of Indian Constitution. He born on 14th April 1891 in Mahu district of Madhya Pradesh. His father's name was Ramji Maluji Sakpal and mother name was Bhima Bai Sakpal. He was the 14th and last child. Today's India in which we are living is shaped by his ideology. Besides other progressives, founding fathers, the Constitution of India has helped to develop India in modern world successfully. Hello everyone. We had discussed in previous video 4 fundamental values of the Constitution such as sovereignty, socialism, secularism and democracy. Today we are going to discuss next fundamental values of the Constitution. Fifth fundamental value is Republic character. Republic is a government in which the people are supreme. There is no king or queen as a head of the state. The head of the state is elected by the people for a fixed term. It is called the President of the Republic. India is a democratic republic country, which means a country or state with an elected head and a government by the representatives of the people. In a democratic republic state, all citizens are equal before law and there is no higher class. All republic offices are open to every citizen without any discrimination. The word democracy includes social democracy, economic democracy, and political democracy. Founding fathers believe that without social and economic democracy, political democracy has no meaning in a poor country like India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar had said that parliamentary democracy is meaningless without achieving the real goal of social and economic democracy. Therefore, from political democracy, we must move to economic democracy, which means working of well-being for all. It could be called a welfare state. Sixth fundamental value is justice. The preamble promises social, political, and economic justice to all citizens. Social justice means that all citizens are treated equally irrespective of their status in society. Constitutional provisions for better condition for work, maternity relief, reduction of inequalities, promoting better standard of living for the workers, weaker section and backward classes, banning of forced labor were all directed towards social justice. Article 38 says that the state should strive to promote the welfare of the people. Economic justice means that the rich and the poor are treated equally. Article 39 directs the state to try to secure that the citizens have means of livelihood, resources, and equal pay for equal work for both men and women. Other than these, the children should be given opportunities and facilities to develop in a healthy manner. Thus, there are provisions for right to work, right to education, right to public health, etc. Political justice means equal to share all citizens to participate in the political process without any discrimination of caste, creed, religion, or place of birth. It is provided in Article 325 and 326. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar had said on 26 January 1950, we are going to enter into a life of contradictions. In politics, we will have equality, and in social and economic life, we will have inequality. In politics, we will be recognizing the principle of one man, one vote, and one vote, one value. In our social and economic life, we shall, by reasons of our social and economic structure, continue to deny the principle of one man, one value. Seventh fundamental value is liberty. The word liberty derived from the Latin word liber, which means freedom from imprisonment or freedom from slavery. Liberty was conceived as absence of interference in individual freedom of action by the government, but liberty in the preamble does not mean any absence of domination. It is a positive concept of the right to liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. Article 19 guarantees protection of rights of freedom of speech, expression, etc. And Article 25 to 28 include rights to freedom of religion. Eighth fundamental value is equality. Leaders of the French Revolution believed that all human beings are equal in the eyes of law. The concept of equality included in our preamble says about equality of status and opportunity only. This has legal, social, political, and economic aspects. All citizens are equal before law and enjoy equal protection of laws. There can be no discrimination on the basis of religion, race, caste, gender, or place of birth in the matter of go to public places and public employment. The concept of equality of the status and opportunity has been given shape in Article 14 to 18. Ninth fundamental value is fraternity. The ideals of justice, liberty, and equality are relevant and meaningful only if these promote a common feeling of brotherhood. In the Constitution, the fundamental rights and the directive principle are also designed to promote fraternity. According to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, fraternity means a sense of common brotherhood of all Indians. It is the principle which gives unity and solidarity to social life. The ancient Indian idea of Vasudev Kutumbakam, that is the entire world being a family, says about the concept of universal brotherhood. This concept has been elaborated in Article 51. Tenth fundamental value is dignity of the individual. Dignity of the individual can be preserved and promoted by fraternity. The founding father aimed to improve the quality of life for the individual by guaranteeing the fundamental rights of freedom, equality, etc. The practice of untouchability, which was an insult to human dignity, was abolished under Article 17, though even today some orthodox people practice this disgraceful system of untouchability to enforce any of his fundamental rights and his individual dignity. A person could approach even the Supreme Court directly. 11th fundamental value is unity and integrity of the nation through a spirit of common brotherhood and fraternity. We can hope to build national unity in a highly heterogeneous and diverse society. Therefore, Article 51A makes it a duty of every citizen to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India and promote harmony and brotherhood. Thus, we can say that the various concepts and terms in the preamble show that the noble words of our preamble represent the philosophy, the ideals, or the soul of the entire Constitution of India. These are all constitutional values. In upcoming videos, we will discuss all articles one by one. At last, I request you that if you like our work, please support us. Jai Bhim, Jai Bharat.